Y'all, this is Johnny Gabriel, one of my favorite cousins. She's got a fabulous bakery in Marietta, Georgia called Gabriel's Desserts. Johnny and I are reconnecting, and I'm so excited. So how about it, Johnny? Let's get started on our roasted turkey. I've got us a 15-pound turkey, Johnny, that I thought we'd roast off in the oven. And I thought that we could make us like a butter paste.
Butter, good old butter.
Yes, to rub on our turkey. So what I'm gonna need for you to do is if you would mince me up a couple of cloves of garlic and a shallot. So we're just gonna kind of incorporate these with that butter.
You want 2 cloves?
Yeah, please, like 2 cloves. Listen, y'all, Johnny's, without a shadow of a doubt, makes the best red velvet cupcakes you've ever put in your mouth. So I've stolen her recipe.
That's good.
And
That's
now I call them mine.
You do?
No, I don't. You know I'm kidding
I
you.
know.
I'm about to get our butter softened. Now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of house seasoning to this. That's got our salt, our pepper, and our garlic.
I use that at the store at Gabriel's Desserts.
Do
They
ya?
have a big container in the kitchen of it.
All right, now Johnny, while you're doing that, I think I'm gonna chop us a little parsley.
When you're preparing food, you feel like you're doing things for the ones you love and people and friends.
You know, Johnny, I said it's the one thing that will give you immediate gratification. That's probably why you make cakes, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely.
So you got the shallot and the garlic, and I've almost got the parsley minced fine enough. We've got all this wonderful skin, and to me, if the skin is crispy, it's like the best part of the turkey.
Good.
So we're gonna rub it in our butter paste, and that skin is gonna get crispy. And I'm gonna go in there in that neck, and this butter, I'm not gonna worry about him being rubbed in too good, Johnny.
Okay.
I want the bulk of it sitting right up here on top. So as it melts, it'll run down our whole turkey.
And turn it all good and brown.
So we're gonna put it in this oven right here.
All right.
Just sit it on the bottom rack. Now we're gonna roast this turkey for a few hours until it reaches 160 degrees. So you'll wanna stick your thermometer in the meatiest part of the turkey, and make sure you stick it in the dark part, because the dark meat takes longer to cook than your breast. So all I've got to do, y'all, is make the glaze for our turkey. And to do that, I'm gonna melt a couple of tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna use 3/4 a cup of apple cider and a 1/2 cup of maple syrup. Thanksgiving is in the air.
Yes.
All right.
In our tummy in a minute.
Huh? It's gonna be what?
In our tummy in a minute.
It sure is. You know, you take hours to prepare all this stuff and 10 minutes to knock it all down, can't you?
That's right.
All right. So that was 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And just want to reduce that down a little bit. Get my glaze reduced, and you see how it's getting syrupy. It's gonna be delicious with our turkey. I garnish up the turkey with a little Italian parsley, some sage, and I'm gonna throw on some cranberries. Gonna peep some little cherry tomatoes for color.
All right, you've got this so pretty. Look at
Isn't
that.
it pretty? Isn't it just, it's like a picture, isn't
You're
it?
just artistic. I never knew that.
All right, look at here.
And oh, look at that. Just ooze down that turkey and
Right now, I'm bathing my turkey.
all right, good.
Yes, it's gonna be so good. And this glaze is gonna give our skin a sweet maple flavor, Johnny. I'm gonna slice our turkey, and I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna make a cut this away. And I'm gonna come down here.
Ooh, now
I'm
I should get a
gonna-
plate. Get close.
Honey, he's wanting to fly up here into my mouth. All right, now let's see. I got a little taste, y'all, of everything on that fork. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.